Sairam children, today I will continue our chapter Up You Go. In previous class, I was discussing with you about the leadership skills. Leadership skills and how can we develop these leadership skills. And I will continue this today also. A quick revision of leadership skill, just see. You can see the role of leaders, the role of leadership in schools. Just see it. And what work I gave you yesterday in previous class to think something. I will come to this point later.
Let us imagine that today is an important day in your school. All the students are going to select a head boy and a head girl. They will do this by voting for the best boy and best girl. You too have been asked to vote. On what basis will you vote for the head boy and the head girl? Select the correct option and click Submit.
Yesterday we were talking about it on the day of selection of head boy and head girl. If you are one of them to cast your vote, what is most important among these? Leadership qualities, exam marks, popularity, number of friends. And we decided that leadership quality is the best option because exam marks can be scored by anyone individually. Popularity depends on so many factors. Number of friends, this is one of the quality, but if anybody has so many number of friends, is a good leader, this is not correct.
The correct answers are displayed.
So leadership qualities are the best one.
The head boy and head girl serve as leaders in various school activities. They handle several responsibilities of the students and the school, thereby setting an example for other students. We find leaders not only in schools but also in other areas of life. Let's take a look at some leadership qualities and responsibilities. A leader is a person who guides his or her team to achieve a specific goal.
This is very important. Yesterday I also talked to you about it. A leader is a person who guides his or her team to achieve specific goals. This is very important.
There have been many famous leaders in this world, such as Rani Lakshmibai, Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, and Nelson Mandela.
These leaders help their people to reach important goals. I am asking you to collect information about these leaders: Rani Lakshmibai, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, and Mahatma Gandhi ji. You are very much familiar with the Mahatma Gandhi ji and Rani Lakshmibai also. But I want to collect more information about the Rani Lakshmibai, Nelson Mandela, and Martin Luther King, and also Mahatma Gandhi ji.
These leaders helped their people achieve their goals because they understood what their goals are. For example, Rani Lakshmibai and Mahatma Gandhi helped Indians fight for freedom from British rule.
These two people, Rani Lakshmibai and Gandhiji, helped our country to fight to get freedom from British rules. Collect more and more information.
Every leader has
These are the skills that make a leader. This is very important point. Leadership skills. If you want to achieve a goal in your life in the field of leaders to become a leader, you have to develop these skills. Skills that make a leader. Very important.
4 important leadership skills. A leader works hard without complaining, knowing that only hard work will help in taking the group towards their.
This is very, very important. A leader should be hardworking. मेहनत करने वाला इंसान होना चाहिए, बिना यह सोचे कि ये सारी मेहनत मुझे ही करनी पड़ रही है। उसे सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेहनत करनी चाहिए और अपने ग्रुप को मोटिवेट करना चाहिए।
Goal. A leader always tells the truth.
Leader should tell the truth. Always tells the truth. हमेशा सच बात का पक्ष लेना चाहिए या सही बात कहना चाहिए।
They never lie in the group if something goes wrong. A leader is confident about what to do to reach the goal.
This is very important. The confidence, self-confidence. What are you doing? If you are not confident, you can't achieve your goal. So be confident and achieve your goal.
The confidence they show helps their group also feel confident. A leader encourages the group to reach their goal and support them.
This is also very important. Encourage the group to reach their goal. The meaning of this quality or skill is that leaders should not be self-centered. कि लीडर ने अपने गोल्स को अचीव कर लिया और फिर अपने ग्रुप मेंबर्स को वैसे ही छोड़ दिया। नहीं, a leader encourages the group to reach their goal. This is very important.
Through their mistakes.
So these are the 4 qualities. These 4 qualities. Number 1, hardworking. Number 2, truthful. Number 3, confident. And number 4, encouraging. It means a good leader is very good, hardworking, confident, truthful, never say lie, and encouraging, motivating others to achieve their goals.
In general, a leader has to handle certain important responsibilities. A leader should help people in their group.
Helping. Leaders should help their group members, help people in the group.
Whenever they face difficulties, they should.
But it doesn't mean that without any reason leaders should help people in the group. Only in case when they are in problem, unable to solve situation, conditions, then leaders should help them.
Never leave them to struggle alone.
Leaders should not leave the members of his or her group to struggle alone. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि लीडर अपने ग्रुप के लोगों को किसी मुसीबत के समय अकेला छोड़ दे, उनकी हेल्प करना चाहिए।
A leader should look after people in their group. They should
लुक आफ्टर पीपल इन द ग्रुप, इसका मतलब है अपने ग्रुप के लोगों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
see if anyone needs anything such as food, water, or any other important item. A leader should make sure that the group gets enough rest and sleep.
दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि पूरे ग्रुप मेंबर्स हमेशा मेहनत ही करते रहे। इट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अ लीडर टू मेक इट श्योर दैट द ग्रुप सेट गेट्स इनफ रेस्ट एंड स्लीप व्हाइल डूइंग द वर्क। काम के साथ आराम, खूब मेहनत और पर्याप्त सफिशिएंट रेस्ट, बोथ आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
This will give the group strength to work hard. Sometimes a leader might be punished for someone else's mistake in the group.
This is very important.
They should be
A leader should be strong enough to handle critical situation. हो सकता है कि किसी और की गलती, मेंबर्स की, ग्रुप मेंबर्स की गलतियों की सजा लीडर को मिले, तो लीडर should be strong enough to handle critical situations.
strong enough to handle such situations. Here is a quick recap of what we have learned so far.
So this is very important. Summary: a leader is a person who guides his or her team to achieve specific goals. 4 important leadership skills of a leader are hardworking. Number 1, hardworking, truthful, confident, encouraging. And the responsibilities of a leader are to help people in the group, look after people in the group, make sure the group gets rest and sleep, and be strong enough to handle critical situations. So children, I hope you understood these skills and the responsibility of a leader. So whenever in future you think you should be as a class monitor, so first you think, are you hardworking, truthful, confident, encouraging? And these are the responsibilities, and the very important responsibility, be strong enough to handle critical situation. So I hope all you understood about the leadership skills and responsibilities of a leader. In next video, I will explain the problems and the challenges faced by a group leader in one of the mountaineer camp of Uttarkashi. Revise your syllabus regularly, do your study, stay at home and healthy. अपना ध्यान रखिए, खूब खुश रहिए। साई राम and thank you.